What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, back at it with another how-to/tutorial video for you guys. Y'all really love these videos. Y'all really want to know like how to do this, how to do that, how to lace this, how to wear that, and I got y'all. Today we're gonna be doing the Air Jordan 6's because y'all already know it's gonna be like a couple of 6's this year is gonna release, and especially those infrared 6's. And I know y'all want to know how to rock those things, how to lace them, and I got y'all today, man. But before we get into this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy. And let's get this video up to 100 likes. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up right now before you jump into the video, man. We got 3 dope lacing styles, so let's jump right into it. Okay, guys, like I said, Air Jordan 6 how to lace tutorial. The first shoe we're gonna go with is Air Jordan 6 alternates. I know it's kind of bright, don't worry about that right now, but we're gonna go from this one to the Air Jordan 6 Champagnes, which is another lace style, and then we're gonna go to my favorite, which is the Air Jordan 6 CARMINES, maybe my favorite shoe of all time, hands down. And we're gonna lead up to it just like that. We're gonna do from scratch, to second, and then we're gonna go from third. This is the banger right there. The Air Jordan 6 CARMINES. So y'all stay tuned, relax, and let's jump right into this video, man. Let's get it. All right, you guys. So this is the first lacing style right here. No names for this one, like I did for like the phone positive video, like I said. But this one right here is the first one. We're gonna call this number 1. So in the comment section below, let me know if y'all feeling this one the most. But like I said, this is gonna be the starting off one because we're gonna go from the bottom all the way up, and the last two we're gonna start with them already laced up here because it's just 2 different little styles that some people probably don't know. Trust me, it's a lot of people that actually enjoy these lacing tutorials, and I'm gonna bless y'all again with another lacing style with these Air Jordan 6's, man. Y'all know with infrared 6's, infrareds is dropping, and they got a couple of more 6's dropping. So like I said, I'm trying to bless y'all. So let's get into it. Here go the first one. All right, I'm gonna fast forward all the way up until we get to up here. I'm pretty sure y'all know how to move the lace lock all the way to the bottom. Just put it through the shoestring and put it in the middle, and then start going up from there. So let's get it. All right, this is the point where you want to know or figure out where to get your like looseness, because you don't want this right here being extra stupid long, you know what I'm saying? At least touch about to that pacifier or to that lace lock right there. That's probably about as loose as you need it, because this right here, if I do, it's gonna be looking real kind of like too loose. So we're gonna loosen up just a little bit, just to like make it get like this. So this is the first one, so let's get into it. All right, so you got the perfect looseness that you need. You're gonna grab this right here, very, very simple, and you're gonna just tie it around. You're gonna tie it around. You're gonna get this first dope lacing style, man. Some people don't like this one, but just probably like one of my go-tos as well when talking about lacing your 6's. And yeah, just like that. It's like portrait motion, baby. Check it out, check it out. There you go, just like this one right here. And you get the first lace in style. So y'all enjoy this on feet of this first lacing style. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feeling this one. Let's get it. All right, so here go the second one right here. As you can see, I'm turning the light real quick. And as you can see, it's pretty much the same thing. Loose down here, got the lace lock down here. Either moving up here, take this ring off, because you know on all Air Jordan 6 you're not gonna get this ring like you got on the championship pack. So you can put this one up here. It look dope right there as well. But like I said, since this one got the ring, I'm gonna keep the ring down here, and I'm gonna keep the lace lock down here. It's gonna look very, very nice. It's gonna hit. It's gonna go perfect together. And yeah, loose all the way down here. But you're gonna go through all of the lacing holes, you can see right here. They go through every single one. You're gonna get that like the loose ends of the laces hanging off just like this, man. So I know a lot of people lace you know what I'm saying, Air Jordan 1s like this, Air Jordan 5s. Like this is like the go-to lacing style for any shoe, letting the laces hang off the side. This look like OG, look like vintage, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, let's get into this lace style. So I even took the ring off for you guys just so I can show y'all how to put it on. Look at that, that's just dope. That's very, very nice. Let's get it. Start from the bottom with the Air Jordan 6 alternate, and yeah, now we're here. So I'm gonna loosen that one back out. Don't want to look too crazy, And y'all can do this along with me if y'all want to. Like I said, I'm here for y'all. I'm here for y'all. We're gonna do all of the lace holes, man. Let me bring this up here so I can reference. We're gonna get this right here. We went straight up. I see how I did this one. Put it through those right there, and then you get the little access of the laces. And yeah, I just feel like that's very dope. Look very vintage, look very OG. And then you're gonna get that. Like I said, on all shoes, you're not gonna get this little pass right here. You're not gonna get this ring. You're gonna get this lace lock right here. You can put the lace lock up there, just like I did this one. Very simple. Just put it through this lace lock. Set it right there to make it look nice. And yeah, leave the access right there. And then here you go with the second lace style. Let me know how y'all feeling in the comment section below. I hope y'all about to enjoy this on feet. So let's get into this on feet. Let's get it. All right, so here goes the last one. Let me drop it down real quick. This is the last lacing style right here. This is my favorite Air Jordan 6 of all time. Favorite Air Jordan, favorite sneaker of all time. I don't know if anybody know that on my channel. This is my favorite shoe. But this one right here, like I said, we started from the bottom with the Air Jordan 6 alternates. And we left the lace lock off, but you can put the lace lock wherever you want on the shoe. It looks nice anywhere on any row. And you can put it right here, or you can, you know what I'm saying, put it on the side. You can put it right here, wherever you want. Trust me, it look nice. And we're gonna go from the bottom, just like we did for Air Jordan 6 alternates, and we're gonna come up. We're gonna get this right here. So I'm gonna leave this to the side, and we're gonna get into this one. So we don't have to fast forward anything like this. It's gonna be a quick one. Weed it through, lace it through, whatever you call it. Put it through this the lace holder right here, the like red soft part, or whatever color Air Jordan 6 you got this right here. From this lace hole right here, once you go through, you're gonna get the laces right here. As you can see, the laces are down here, going from this lace holder all the way over to this one. And so instead of crossing and going to the top lace hole right here, you're gonna keep it just like this how you see it, and you're gonna go ahead and do that traditional OG, whatever you want to call lace, man. So this how I lace my shoes. Just grab it, tighten just a little bit. I grab my little two dog ears, whatever you want to call them, however you grew up, learn how to tie your shoe, and you're gonna pull through, man, just like that. And this is my favorite go-to Air Jordan 6 lacing style. And I actually like this lace style for a lot of my shoes too, just if I want to go out and just be, like I said, be basic and not do like the super loose look as I do on some of my shoes. Y'all seen some of the tutorials. And yeah, man, this is my favorite, man. I have not wore these shoes. Like I said, I got these shoes back when I went to kick them home. I got them for $275 DS. I still haven't worn them, just don't feet for y'all. So I hope y'all enjoy. Let me know how y'all feeling about this Air Jordan 6 lacing style in the comment section below. It's my favorite. I'm pretty sure a lot of people digging this one as well. And like I said, you can put the lace holder, the lace lock anywhere on the shoe you want. Send me pictures on how y'all do it with the lace holder, and I might do it myself. So hope y'all enjoyed this on feet. Hope y'all enjoyed this one right here. So yeah, let's get into on feet. Let's get it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this how to lace tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, like I said, smash that thumbs up in the comment section below. Let me know which one was your favorite lacing style. For me, like I said, my go-to, my banger is the Air Jordan 6 Carmines, and that is actually my first time ever lacing those things up. I had a pair back in the day, beat them up, sold them, got a brand new DS pair, so I brought the DS pair out for y'all today, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. I still got the sticker on the bottom of it, how much I bought them for, so yeah, it's my favorite shoe of all time, Air Jordan 6 Carmine. Let that set in stone right now. So like I said, hope y'all enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. Link will be in the description box below. Let's get to that 20K, man. Let's get to that 20K. Appreciate all love and support, man. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.